Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to K&A's Family Homestead. I'm Angel, and for today's video, I'm gonna do a DIY video. And you know me with my projects, I think outside the box. Well, it's kind of embarrassing to show you this, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway because this is real life. Now, I am going to build a shoe rack. Not only for my duck boots and the kids' duck boots that we go out there in the farm and we get it all dirty, we track it back in, and it gets thrown in the closet where they're so big, it takes so much room. On top of that, we have other shoes that also take in a lot of space. So let me show you the closet. Try to excuse the mess and a mess of shoes, but this is why I'm making this video, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so there goes one of my son's boots. They're outside the closet because obviously it doesn't fit inside the closet. Okay, so that's an old shoe rack that we got, and as you can see, it's so small and it doesn't last too long on the shelf. They wind up falling off, and they wind up being all over the floor like you see. Plus, we got things stacked on top of things, and this is how we do it. So yeah, so my plan, let me slide this door over. By the way, this door, I want to replace it. I want to try to get a better scenario here. But as you can see, it's just a big mess. A lot of shoes on the floor. And so, hold on, let me turn this around. So yes, guys, I am going to turn this closet around. I am going to do some improvements. And let me show you the wood I'm using and what I'm doing to make this so much better. Okay, so here's the finished wood. As you can see, I stained it. But originally it was the pallets that I got from my job. And they were all finished wood pallets. So, you know, they were for the most part clean. They did have nits and gnats and bruises and scratches, and so that's kind of that's what I actually wanted. I wanted more of a rustic look and a country style look. So this is what I'm gonna use to put together this shoe rack. Alright guys, there you have it. Everything's done, nice and organized. Duck boots on the bottom. Got the grit in there so it can cover the mud or any, from the wood getting wet. Which I need some more up the top, but that's what it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit them thumbs up, and if you ain't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.